have a good sense of your Social Security benefits already, that takes out a lot of the guesswork out of retirement planning. But even if you don't know how much you might be able to expect, the Social Security Administration has resources to help you. We recommend that you visit the Social Security Administration's website and create your own My Social Security account. This tool lets you see estimates of future benefits based on your real earnings, see your latest statement, and review your earnings history. The Social Security Administration's website also features a variety of online calculators that will give you a general estimate of how much you and your spouse can expect to receive. As these calculators may help you understand, Social Security benefits likely do not replace all of your income in retirement. For average earners, Social Security retirement benefits will likely only replace about 40% of your earnings. If you have lower earnings, your benefits will likely replace a larger percentage of your income. But if you are in the upper income brackets, your Social Security benefits will likely replace a smaller percentage of your income. This may sound counterintuitive, but the Social Security program was designed to reduce poverty amongst retirees. As such, annual earnings above a set amount do not count towards your benefit. As of 2019, that amount was $132,900. So even if you earned $200,000 in a year, only $132,900 of that would count towards your Social Security benefit. Regardless of your particular situation, chances are you'll need to supplement your benefits with a pension, savings, or investments. Many investors fear the Social Security program will run out of money before they start receiving benefits. Such fears are generally fed by media stories, political campaigns, and debates about public spending. While there's no way to know what will happen in the future, Social Security is not faced with an immediate funding crisis. With that said, politicians can certainly vote to change Social Security benefits in the future. However, we believe major change is unlikely in the near future, and accurately predicting what politicians will do in 10 or 20 years is impossible. If you enjoyed this video, you can click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified when we publish new content. Thanks for watching.